That time you get everything you want in life. You get the nicest stuff and the nicest and everything else.
Yes, family, at Avery Botanic Gardens, and what you saw was a cocoa tree. Let's give you a nice zoom of a nice green cocoa.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Donkey had carried him and everything.
Okay. Yeah, coming to my store. Okay, I go. Yeah. How many of you have heard of cocoa?
Yeah.
Cocoa. Yeah. The Tiboro cacao. Now, this is a cocoa tree. This is an old cocoa tree. This is an old cocoa tree. The botanical name is Tibora cocoa.
Wow.
Tibora. Now, this is an old tree, but still bearing fruit. Cocoa came to Ghana through one Ghanaian who traveled to the island of Fernando in 1879. He came with some cocoa beets, and this cocoa beets is a gun, but it won't do well in the southern part because of the ocean. So he has a friend at a place called Mampong. So he came to Mampong with to see his friend and show him the cocoa beets, and then they nursed the cocoa beets, and it did well. Up to now, from 1879 up to now, the cocoa tree is still there. Now, the cocoa starts like this. This is the cocoa pods, and it's called pupil. So it starts this way, and then it grows. When it grows, it becomes like the one over there, the green. First one like the okra. You see up there, it looks like an okra. Then from there, it grows. Look at this. From that stage, it grows up to this. When you go to our villages, this one they use it like okra. Yeah. Then it will grow up to this. Now when it gets to this pot, then it will change color to orange. When it changes color to orange, that means it's matured. It is not, the pot is meant for different things, but the bean in it, yeah, we have a way of fermentation, and that's what they export. Ghana exports. Ghana right now is the second world producer of cocoa in the world. Yeah. The first one is Ivory Coast, and the second Ghana, third one is Brazil. Yeah. Cocoa is being used for so many things. So many things. Even we have cocoa powder, we have cocoa jelly, we have cocoa liquor, we have a whole lot. Even the black soap, we use the pots in making the black soap. Yeah. So cocoa is very good. Now the root is also medicinal. The bark, this one also is medicinal. The root, if someone breaks his bone, they add other things to it and then you put a splint there, put it all over, tie it. Within 3 to 7 days, the wounds will heal. The bone will heal. Yeah, the bone will heal. So the roots, including palm fruits, the roots of the palm fruits, they add all to it. So it's medicinal, and at the same time, it's a food. And then we export it. It's the second leading producer of, second leading exports, Ghana's exports. That's the second. Yeah. And then when you turn around, there is another thing over here, and this is plantain. The plantain that we've been eating. Yeah. Some people like the sour one, some people like the sweet one. The difference is that when it gets ripe, it's sweet. So this is the plantain tree. So it shoots up. It's unfortunate we don't have any plantain. That's not here. It shoots up, and when it shoots up, then it starts spreading. Then the food will shoot up again, and then you have a big plantain. And, when it's mature, you just go and cut when it's matured, just cut the under, everything will come down and it will start shooting again. This one like this, it has been harvested. This tells me that they have harvested. Now, when they harvest it, you can't leave it there. You have to cut it this way. It will die off because they cut it now 1, 2, 3, 4. Spring up. Yeah. If you don't cut it, those two they won't come. So you have to cut it. When you cut it, you leave it, and then it will also spring up. Yeah. Now, a lot of people haven't seen pineapple growing. Maybe on our way we'll see some pineapple. This is a pineapple. When you come here, yeah, there's a pineapple tree. Now the pineapple doesn't grow underneath; it grows up and turns up here. So this is a pineapple. It shoots up from here and it will grow, become bigger. Yeah. So this is a pineapple.
Jamaican. Ask the question.